Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Valorant game style CTA or a button interaction. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's name the button. So I'm going to name the button as practice. Okay. So the font family I have used over here is Inter. The font weight is semi-bold for 32 pixels font size, and also the case is uppercase. Okay, there is no like letter spacing or height. So let's make it the color of this font is like the text is white, solid white. So let's make its auto layout. I'm going to give a padding inside of this CTA. Left and right would be 30, top and bottom would be 20. Okay, let's give the fill color. The fill color is going to be solid white, but I need to change the opacities down to 5%. Okay, so 5%. Also I need to give the stroke. The stroke width would be 3, not 3, let's make it 4, and also the stroke color would be white. Also I have to reduce the opacity 100 to around let's make it 10, right? Let's make it a center. Now I need to add a small rectangle boxes, 4 rectangle boxes inside of the CTA. How to do that? I am holding shift to make the consistent rectangle size, and height and width would be the same only. And what I need to do, since the rectangle is inside the frame, auto layout frame, the first problem you will face is that you cannot change the rectangle position, right? Now like you can change it from right left, but I need to change the rectangle position and move this rectangle on top of it, right, on the 4 side, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. How to do that? So first select the rectangle. There is a auto layout features available on Figma. Just near the x and y axis value you will see a small icon. Press on that. Now this, as you can see, the icons actually change. So let me undo this. So previously the as you can see, there is a small rectangle to indicate it is a rectangle, right? A solid rectangle. When I change the rectangle to auto layout position, now as you can see, there is a small more highlighter over here to indicate that the rectangle box is like a auto absolute position, right? So now I need to change this rectangle, like take this rectangle on top of it, right? How to adjust? I take this, hold this rectangle, and just let's take it on top of it. I will change the width and height of this rectangle. Now also I will make the fill color of the rectangle to white, solid white. Copy paste, bring the rectangle down, bottom, okay, I think it's cool. Copy paste. Let's take this another rectangle and put on the bottom right hand side. Copy paste. Again I will, there is another rectangle on top right. Okay, so okay, 4 rectangles on 4 different sides, right? Now again one more thing we need to add is the constant. Right now what happening is, right now for example it is auto layer, right? If I want to change the text from practice to something else, so as you can see, this 2 rectangles is like outside this auto layout buttons, right? Although the rectangles are inside the CTA, but it is feel like it is outside of this CTA, and that is not good, right? How to fix this problem is, let's undo this one. Let's select the first top right one. There is a constant property, top is right. Now I have to change from left to right. Okay, same goes to on the bottom one. Select the bottom rectangle. The rectangle is positioned on the bottom, so I need to change from top to bottom, or also it is on the right hand side, so I have to change in the right hand side. Bottom right, right bottom. Okay, done. Now if I change to something else, as you can see, these 4 rectangles are in the same position. There's nothing changes. Okay, let's make this button as a component. Let's create another variant. Name the variant on hover. You can name it anything. Let's change the property of this one, because this would be the default one, but while hovering it will change to this variant. Okay, so I need to change the colors and something over here, like I need to change the position of this small rectangle, okay, in the hover state. So what I need to do, first select the rectangles over here, press shift, use arrow key to change the position. press shift arrow key. Now I have to change the rectangle color to something yellowish. Okay, let's change to something yellowish. Select the hex code. Again the same yellow color would be inside the would be in the stroke color, okay. If I go to stroke 1, hex code, also I need to change the alpha value to something around 20. Okay, 20, I think maybe more than, maybe more than 20, 30 is fine. Okay, again also I need to change the field color, overall CTA field color. Also I will change the alpha from 5 to around 20. Okay, fine, looks cool, right? What I will do, I will create the interaction. Go to your prototype, add the flow, add the arrow to create a flow. This will be on while hover. Change to on hover variant, smart animate, ease out 300. This is the default value. You can change it to something else, but for this tutorial purpose, I've just make this as a default value, right? I'm not changing anything over here. Okay, let's play this prototype. Let's play this CTA, right? Interaction. So select the frame, create a flow starting point, and let's play the flow. Wow, it looks good, right? So in this way you can create a Valorant game style as CTA. You can like play around with this CTA. I'm going to add the frame, the interaction in my community file. You can duplicate my community file from Figma community, and also please don't forget to like the video and also comment it, like whether you like the video or not, and also you can give suggestion on the upcoming topic. So based on this suggestion, based on your feedback, I will create more and more videos, tutorials video on design. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.